Hello, good morning class. Today we are going to learn electric field and electric field intensity. In the previous classes we have learned about charge distribution, Coulomb's law in vector form, Coulomb's law, superposition principle. Now in this lecture or in today's lecture we are going to learn about electric field and electric field intensity. So let us start our class. So first, the definition of electric field, then I will explain with the help of a diagram. Okay. So now definition is it is a region around a charge. So let us consider a charge. Say for example, this is a charge. Plus means positive charge. It is a region around a charge inside which. So we have considered a positive charge. Now let us consider a region around this charge according to the definition. So we will consider the region. Say this is a region. So this is a region around the charge. Region. And this region is around the charge. Inside which means only inside this region we are talking about the region, that is the part which is inside this region. Okay. So inside which electrostatic force, you all know what is electrostatic force. In other words, we can also say Coulomb's law of force. Okay. Coulomb has given the formulation of electrostatic force. This is the force between two charges. Okay. That is two charges when they are at rest. So electrostatic force of repulsion and attraction is experienced by another charge. Okay. So now, write it as or, because if repulsion exists, there will be no attraction. Okay. Now, a region around a charge inside which electrostatic force of repulsion or attraction is experienced by another charge. Just see this, by another charge. So we will bring a charge. Let us consider this as test charge. So I have defined this test charge. It is a very small charge which is required to find, or which is used to find the strength of electric field of the source charge. जिसका हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ढूंढ रहे हैं, उसका स्ट्रेंथ को पता करने के लिए हम सभी को क्या करना होता है, एक टेस्ट चार्ज कंसीडर करना होता है. तो ये टेस्ट चार्ज हम लोग यूज करेंगे क्या करने के लिए, इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी को फाइंड करने के लिए, इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ को फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, ये टेस्ट चार्ज का यूज करेंगे. Now bring this test charge inside this region, or let us assume that this charge is outside this region. ये region का outside में ही ये charge. Then you will notice that this charge will experience zero force of repulsion or attraction because this charge is outside this region. When you bring this charge inside this region, then what happens? This charge will experience a force of repulsion or attraction depending upon the nature of the charge. Okay. So this charge will experience a force of repulsion or attraction. Repulsion experiences a force. Okay. Force. Okay. And this force is due to this charge, and this charge is called source charge. Okay. So we are in this lecture we are going to find the electric field of the source charge. So to find the electric field, we have considered a test charge, and we brought a test charge near or inside the region around, inside an imaginary region around the source charge. Then what happens when the charge is inside the region, then this charge will experience an electrostatic force, and that electrostatic force may be repulsive or attractive depending upon the nature of the charges. Okay. So this region this region in which this charge is experiencing a force, so this region is called electric field of this source charge. This region is called electric field of this source charge. That is electric field of this source charge. This region is called electric field. Just like football field, in the football field, player used to play football. Similarly, in case of electric field, a test charge will experience electrostatic force. Okay, are you clear? So now next is source charge. Source charge is a charge whose electric field is to be calculated or determined. जिसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमें कैलकुलेट करना है उसे हम सोर्स चार्ज कहते हैं. फिर कैसे करेंगे, किसका हेल्प लेंगे? जिसका हम लोग हेल्प लेते हैं उसे हम लोग कहते हैं टेस्ट चार्ज. So the test charge Q naught is represented by Q naught, a infinitesimally small charge, very small, almost very near to zero, to test the electric field of the source charge. Okay, so this much about electric field. In the next topic we will learn electric field intensity. Okay.